Buying a used BMW under $25,000 can feel like getting a luxury bargain. But not every deal is a smart one. Some models, like the BMW 3 Series with naturally aspirated engines, are known for solid reliability and lower maintenance. Others, especially turbocharged or V8-powered models, can quickly turn into expensive money pits due to costly repairs and common engine issues. In this video, we'll break down the best used BMWs under $25,000 you should buy and the ones you should avoid at all costs. Today we will talk about best used BMWs under $25,000, smart buys and money pits. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Luxury bargain or financial trap. Buying a used BMW under $25,000 can feel like a smart way to enter the luxury car market without paying a premium price. These vehicles offer performance, prestige, and advanced features that often outperform similarly priced non-luxury cars. However, not all used BMWs are created equal. Some models are incredibly reliable and affordable to maintain, while others can quickly become expensive money pits due to complex engineering and known mechanical issues. The key to making a smart purchase lies in understanding which models and engines offer long-term value and which ones should be avoided. Factors such as engine type, model year, maintenance history, and overall complexity play a critical role in determining whether a used BMW is a smart buy or a costly mistake. 2. Smart buy BMW E93 series naturally aspirated models. One of the best used BMW options under $25,000 is the BMW 3 Series, E90 generation. Particularly models like the 325i, 328i, and 33000i equipped with naturally aspirated inline-6 engines. These models use the highly regarded N52 engine, which is known for its durability and relatively simple design compared to turbocharged alternatives. Unlike turbocharged versions such as the 335i, which suffer from issues like fuel pump failure and turbo wear, the naturally aspirated models offer a more reliable ownership experience. These cars are also widely available in the used market, making them affordable and easy to maintain. Parts are relatively inexpensive, and mechanics are familiar with the platform. While they may not deliver the same level of performance as turbocharged models, they provide a balanced driving experience with lower long-term costs. For buyers who prioritize reliability and value, the E93 series is one of the smartest choices in the sub-$25,000 range. 3. Smart buy BMW X-Series 2017 and newer with B58 engine. The BMW X3, particularly the 2017 model and newer with the B58 inline-6 engine, stands out as one of the most reliable BMW SUVs you can buy used. The B58 engine is widely praised for its strong performance and improved reliability compared to earlier BMW turbocharged engines. According to reliability data, the 2017 X3 M40i offers an excellent balance between performance, durability, and modern features. This model benefits from years of engineering improvements, making it less prone to the issues that affected earlier BMW engines. It also offers practicality, with a spacious interior and advanced safety features. While maintenance costs are still higher than non-luxury SUVs, they are more predictable and manageable compared to older V8-powered BMW models. For buyers looking for a modern, reliable SUV under $25,000, the X3 is a top-tier option. 4. Smart buy BMW 2 Series 2016 model year. The BMW 2 Series 2016 model year is another excellent choice for buyers seeking a reliable and affordable BMW. This compact coupe is lighter and less complex than larger BMW models, which contributes to its strong reliability. Importantly, BMW addressed earlier timing chain issues in the N20 engine after 2015, making the 2016 models significantly more dependable. The 2 Series offers a fun driving experience, premium interior quality, and relatively low maintenance costs compared to larger luxury vehicles. It is especially appealing to younger buyers or enthusiasts who want a sporty car without the high ownership costs associated with high-performance models. Its combination of simplicity, performance, and reliability makes it one of the best hidden gems in the used BMW market. 5. Money Pit. BMW 550i and N63 V8 models. On the other side of the spectrum, the BMW 5 Series 55i models equipped with the N63 twin-turbo V8 engine are widely considered money pits. These engines are known for a range of issues, including excessive oil consumption, overheating, and turbocharger failures. Early versions of the N63 engine were particularly problematic, leading to costly repairs and frequent maintenance. While the 5500i offers impressive performance and luxury, the long-term ownership costs can be extremely high. Repairs involving the turbochargers or engine components can cost thousands of dollars, making it a risky choice for budget-conscious buyers. Unless the vehicle has a complete service history and extended warranty, it is generally best to avoid N63-powered models when shopping under $25,000. 6. Money Pit. BMW 335. N54 engine models. The turbocharged BMW 3 Series 335i models, particularly those equipped with the N54 engine, are another example of a BMW that can become expensive to own. While the N54 is known for its performance and tuning potential, it suffers from several reliability issues, including high-pressure fuel pump failures, injector problems, and carbon buildup. These problems often require repeated repairs, which can quickly add up over time. Although enthusiasts love the N54 for its performance capabilities, it is not an ideal choice for buyers looking for a low-maintenance daily driver. For most people, the naturally aspirated versions of the 3 Series are a much safer and more cost-effective option. 7. What makes a BMW a smart buy versus a money pit? The difference between a smart buy and a money pit often comes down to engine choice and complexity. Reliable BMWs tend to have simpler designs, such as naturally aspirated engines or well-refined turbocharged engines like the B58. In contrast, high-performance engines, especially V8s and early turbocharged models, are more prone to issues and require expensive maintenance. Another important factor is model year. Later versions of a generation often have fewer issues because manufacturers have had time to address early problems. Maintenance history is also critical. BMWs are known to perform well when properly maintained, but neglect can lead to costly failures. 8. Buy smart, not just cheap. Buying a used BMW under $25,000 can be a fantastic decision, but only if you choose the right model. Vehicles like the BMW 3 Series E90, BMW X3, B58 powered, and BMW 2 Series 2016 offer excellent value, combining performance, reliability, and manageable ownership costs. On the other hand, models like the BMW 550i with the N63 engine and the 335i with the N54 engine can quickly turn into financial burdens due to their known issues and high repair costs. Ultimately, the key to success is doing your research, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each model, and prioritizing reliability over performance when working with a limited budget. A well-chosen BMW can provide years of driving enjoyment, while a poorly chosen one can lead to constant repairs and frustration. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.